Hello, my name is Wangoi and this is Eric. We are both from Nairobi, Kenya, and we're the team of Final Say.
Writing will can be uncomfortable. You reflect closely and clinically upon your own mortality and the value of your possessions after you're gone, or even just what you want your last respects to be. Once it's complete, though, a last will and testament is one of the most important documents you will ever write.
The challenges around will writing range from the tedium of it, apathy, so not thinking you have enough wealth to warrant writing a will in the first place, to the expense of it, the whole process being seen as an expensive undertaking. Final Say is an idea around a digital service that gives people an easy way to create, update, make known, and execute their last wills and testaments.
So, why Lisa? Taking an idea from idea to MVP requires a fair amount of definition and ideation to ensure that it is an idea worth pursuing. Lisa provides a platform that we can utilize along with experts to validate and build our idea and eventually develop a go to market strategy. We look forward to working together to get our idea off the ground.
Hi, I'm Masarat Ubat, a co-founder and co-CEO at Sowaso.com. Sowaso is a content crowdsourcing platform targeted to the African online community. Since its launch about 5 years ago, the platform was able to achieve key milestones. More than 180,000 articles created on the platform, about 700,000 monthly article reads reached, and about 300,000 followers on its social media channels. To capitalize on its expertise in content curation space and its acquired brand and user base, Sowaso is launching a content-driven marketplace platform named Aulalla.com. Aulalla is aimed at connecting buyers and sellers by providing rich content related to the items they transact on the platform. Aulalla will be launched initially to the Ethiopian market and will later grow into other African markets. We wanted to join Lisa to take advantage of the program to further polish our market entry approach and to get connected with other entrepreneurs in the Stanford community and potential investors. We're so excited to be joining Lisa, and thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Pago is a public benefit corporation that aims to be the leader in a movement towards kindness-centered social impact. We are creating a digital kindness marketplace and local community exchange from those with means to those with needs. Giving is done in two ways. You will be able to give your time, in which case you can read a book to a child or take a walk with an elderly person. You'll also be able to come to our site for financial giving. It won't be like a charity. You'll be able to give something specific, like buying groceries for a neighbor. My name is Amy Pregel, and I have been in fintech for more than 15 years in sales, product, and strategy. My co-founder, Alana Green, has spent the same amount of time in nonprofit consulting and community partnerships. We have applied to Lisa to get study support in design thinking, introductions to a technical co-founder, and receive guidance on how to obtain outside capital. In Spanish, the term pago means I pay. In Latin, pago means village. To us, pago represents our mission to build a village by paying or giving our time and money to our community.
Hello, my name is Yannis, working in the tech industry coming from Greece, and I'm the co-founder of VR1 Meta Events. Our mission in VR1 is to build and manage small metaverse event spaces where people can interact with each other in a much better way than they can through a Zoom call or Skype call. Our goal is to create value for small communities such as student clubs within universities by providing them better alternatives to Zoom calls through our services. We wanted to join Lisa because we know it is the right place to grow such an idea. Lisa has connections to Silicon Valley and Stanford, a place where the best tech startups are born, and to many incredible people from across the world. We want to join Lisa so we can learn about the startup world while turning our idea into a scalable business. Thank you.
Working remotely became a real alternative to the traditional in-person workplace with the adoption of the internet. The outbreak of COVID-19 accelerated this trend dramatically and shifted the way we live, work, and travel. This forces many companies and employees to question if the traditional form of the office is still the best option, or is it time for a new workplace revolution? We believe that many have experienced this new digital world and want to stay fully or at least partially remote. But the infrastructure on the real estate and corporate level has not caught up with this demand yet. Therefore, we intend to create a platform that provides standardized residential real estate with adequate home office capabilities and the technology that supports the transition process from corporate professionals to the growing market of digital nomads. Our team has over 17 years of experience in the financial industry, including the real estate sector, and more than 8 years of experience in the tech sector. We made our first investment last year and planning to expand into other markets. Our target market is the US, primarily main cities in states like California, Texas, Nevada, Florida, and Arizona, but also suburban areas that still provide cost advantages from a real estate perspective. We believe the clear structure, design thinking approach, and the support from the cohort, as well as the lead executives, will allow us to define our MVP more precisely and ultimately build a robust investor base by the end of the year.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yuri Maximov, and I'm happy to present my proposal devoted to fair and accessible home insurance rates. So what is the problem? The problem is that home insurance prices in the US are quite high, especially in some states like Florida, where the approach is almost $3,000 per year for quite limited protection. So this price is approximately 10% of per capita income, and it's further predicted to rise as the number of natural disasters would increase because of the climate change. To this end, the number of people who cannot afford proper insurance coverage would probably increase significantly in the near future. So what is our proposal? Our proposal is to design a system that provides a quite accurate estimation of the risk of natural disasters, house repair cost, and risk-aware prices of homes and insurances. So the gain is twofold. So first of all, we can help businesses to minimize their internal cost that they need to reserve in case of natural disaster to cover their customers' expenses. So, and second, we can provide a service for customers so that they now know risk-aware price of their houses and their insurances. And ultimately, we would like to establish a platform like Skyscanner for insurances, where insurance companies would list their offers, and we could provide our fair price estimate. So we would be happy to involve community in that. So, for instance, for providing a free or a discounted service. So when the customers report the previous history of repairs and insurance prices and some small little details about their houses. So what we have right now, we have our technical prototype is ready, and we have a small tech team to further develop it and support it. So what we need a co-founder. We need a business lead who can help us to get to the market, and we really hope that Lisa can help us with that. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Girish Kejriwal. Parking Reimagined is a social idea based on my experiences when I visited Mumbai last year. Cities are becoming megacities with dense population. There is tremendous stress on existing infrastructure, be it public parking or public transportation. Consequently, traffic congestion is becoming a daily phenomenon. It has a huge impact, not just on the productivity, but the overall quality of life. We believe urban parking is one of the primary causes of this traffic congestion. By searching for parking, there is increased noise pollution. It contributes to more traffic. There is more gas emissions and reduced economic activity. Also, we waste a lot of pavement space by storing cars. Our thesis is that by reimagining and repurposing the existing parking infrastructure of residential apartment complexes, there can be ample parking. Now, why Lisa? One, there are many aspects to this service that we would like to explore and refine through the support of the Lisa community. Two, we want to be part of this ecosystem and help in whatever manner we can. Three, I would like to find a co-partner through the Lisa community in the primary market that I'm targeting. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Thiago Nunes. I'm a founder of Ponto Predict Systems, and I have graduated in computer science, and I'm currently CTO and head of data science at the team of Ponto Predict. We are focused on solutions to improve companies' performance and cost reductions. Ponto Predict use machine learning models to reduce companies' voluntary turnovers and optimization techniques for working schedules and best allocation too of the workforce. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ron. I am the founder of the Lead Gig Economy. LG exists for two reasons: solving problems for executives in the middle market and to monetize lessons learned at Stanford Lead. The vision of the Lead Gig Economy is to provide work to leaders through a gig economy platform that solves two problems. One, solve problems in strategy and innovation in the middle market. And two, provide a platform for leaders to become consultants using lessons learned at Stanford. There's one said it takes 20 years to be a success overnight. This is true for our boutique consultancy. This lifestyle consultancy has been in operation for over 20 years, starting in technology and transitioning to sales and negotiation consulting. In fact, during my lessons learned at Lead, I used this small company as a case study about how might a small consultancy scale from small to big using lessons learned from Stanford. This initiative caught the attention of Professor Mendelson and Huggy Rowe, who gave their advice and encouragement. What do I envision? I envision a global consultancy with leader consultant teams working on part-time gigs around the world. We target the middle market organizations because they are typically not yet big enough to gain the attention of a Bain or McKinsey, and the small organizations are not in a position to hire branded consultants just yet. We solve problems relating to strategy and innovation. We look at new products, new services, and more importantly, we coach the people who manage these things. Although we can consult in most any industry, we choose to specialize in vertical markets that are fun and rewarding: outdoor products and services, the energy sector, training and coaching. Why do I want to join Lisa? I think Lisa provides the smarts and motivation to get to the next level. Thanks for your consideration. I'm Ron, and I'm a leader.
Hello, my name is Xinjing Wang. I'm a software engineer working for Google. I live in the Bay Area, California, United States. My project names AI for Zero Waste. The goal of this project is to reduce litters sent to landfill. The whole ecosystem for reducing solid waste includes government, private companies, and the residents. My project aims at leverage AI technologies to help the process. The project will start with building a quality monitoring platform to help the policymakers and executors to improve their work. I am a Stanford leader in the Voyager cohort. I applied for LISA to leverage the mentorship and intelligence network that LISA and Stanford provide. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Javier, and I want to help people to overcome job search anxiety. To do that, I have created Pascal. Pascal is a web app based in no code that helps people to get actionable feedback after their interviews, so they can know what do they have to improve in order to get to the right job. The idea is based in no code, fully operational, and it is not country specific, as this is a global problem and has been built initially in English, and I will adapt to other countries. I'm based in Spain, but the problem is global. Everyone wants to know what do they have to do better in order to get the right job. I can change the job search market.
Hello, my name is Srikant Rajan, and my idea is to build a global next gen identity and access management system that automates the discovery, management, and control of all user access. Cybersecurity is a busy space with many products and vendors providing various solutions and services, yet, there are more incidents happening today. So there is more need than ever. Today's modern enterprises face challenges on multiple fronts. The number of workforce identities in the enterprise is growing at lightning speed with no slowdown in sight. Anywhere operations, multi cloud environments, digital transformation initiatives, IoT devices, the list goes on and on. These changes have the power to elevate your business, but they come with unprecedented security challenges. According to a recent report by IDSA, 94% of security breaches today are identity related. Organizations either are tool heavy with overlapping capabilities or tend to rely on home built solutions that do partial automation and are difficult to maintain and support. Most tools available in the market are too complex, time consuming, expensive, and requires specific skill set. Companies are struggling to find and retain the right talent. So a one size fits all security product simply won't cut it. There is a need for better solution. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Armin Tergukasyan, originally from Armenia, capital Yerevan, but currently I live in Glendale, California, United States. I work for the United Nations Development Program, and I'm doing a project for Armenian State Postal Services Company, and I'm implementing the e-commerce for Armenian customers from the United States. And actually, this idea came to me whenever I was applied to the Stanford lead, and I understand how is difficult to find out all the programs and all the faculties in the school that can be acceptable for you. So in this case, I started to think how to make better the life of applicants and how make it easier to apply for these programs or any particular program. So that's why I have started to think and to study to implement this project. And whenever I was studying at the lead course, I heard about the LISA, and I understand that this is a great opportunity that I can have during this lead course to participate in this program. And that's why I have applied to the lead to understand what can I do and how to implement this project to the business strategy. Thank you so much for your attention. Take care.
Have you ever came across a situation where you want to dress up, your closet is full and still you feel you don't have an appropriate dress or an accessory to wear? Or probably every morning when you're already late for your office or college, you have to spend quality time thinking and deciding what is that dress that meet your fashion need today. Or maybe your closet is so full that you cannot find an item. If yes, so you are at the right place. Welcome to Digi Closet. When our documents are digital, when our signature are digital, when the world around us is becoming digital, then why not my closet? Dressing up is fun, so should it be. DigiCloset makes your life easy, enjoyable, and your closet organization handy. Dressing up is fun, handling the closet easier and available on the go 24/7. DigiCloset is for everyone. Let me introduce you to my friend Rachel. Rachel has always been known for her fashion statement in her school, in her college, in her office. One of the day when I was talking to Rachel, she said she is really frustrated when she has to spend quality time every morning and decide what are the dress and accessories she should be wearing. In fact, she mentioned in one when she had to attend one of her niece's birthday, she couldn't find her green gown that she wanted to wear, and she has to spend additional dollars to buy a new dress to attend that party. So what does DigiCloset do? DigiCloset allows you to digitally organize your clothes and accessories, plan your dresses and accessories for your next day or any upcoming event. It allows you to categorize your closet as per your choice in casual, formal, and ethnic. It is available on the go, so you don't have to spare your time physically attending your closet and finding the dress or the accessory you want to wear. We have talked so much, but how does this DigiCloset work? Just go and download the app on your mobile phone, create your profile. You can use your Facebook or Gmail account to log in, or you can create a user profile. You can either take a picture of your fashion item or scan the barcode usually attached to that item, or assign a RFID sticker so that you can easily track it. Is there a marriage or a birthday coming up? Plan your fashion portfolio in advance. You can share with your family and friends, take ideas, or take inspiration directly from the fashion experts. Or you can try your clothes and accessories in virtual reality before you finalize the look for each event. Once your portfolio is final, make your packing list. Is there anything missing? Save your time and quickly shop from our suggestions. Voila, you are ready to just pack and go. So where all you can use the DigiCloset? You can use it every day. You can use for any event. You can use it for vacations, and actually just wherever you like it. Do you know what? Now you only buy what you really need and reuse your fashion items and choose according to your audience. Are you out of your ideas? DigiCloset suggests a new look from your closet. Just grab, wear, and go. Follow your favorite fashion bloggers and get inspired. Fashion bloggers just shared the style secret on DigiCloset. And this is just not all. It's time you should consider decluttering your closet. Get suggestion as per your use statistics on the items that can be considered for recycling or donation, or you can just list it for second-hand sale. So what are you waiting for? Dress up, flaunt, and make your life hassle-free and fun. Download DigiCloset today.
Hello, my name is Abhi and I'm from the lead Catalyst cohort of 2016. Just feels like yesterday. I have this idea that I deeply care about and I wish to apply to Lisa to kind of see it through. So let me give you a brief. Our vision is to create a sustainable and circular clothing service and help young people to start thinking of and living a low carbon lifestyle from early on. So what is it and why now? Every year, over 300,000 tons of garment or clothing waste goes to landfill. Fast fashion has made it worse for all of us. Now, there are some innovative startups who are coming up with concepts like reuse, recycle, subscription-based, but no one has addressed the one garment that goes to the bin most, which is school uniforms. We don't give them to charity, we usually bin them at the end of life. Now, every year there are more than 9 million students who go to school in the UK wearing uniform each day. Now, you can imagine the amount of waste at the end of life of those uniforms. So, our mission is to empower every child to start thinking about their planet. Now, we can do this by providing them a sustainably produced uniform collection, which at the end of life or after use can be returned back, and it will be sustainably and ethically reused, recycled, or upcycled into another fabric. And our commitment will be that nothing will go to landfill. And the impact is massive. In terms of target market, we will focus on the UK to prove our concept in the beginning. However, there's millions of children around the world who do wear uniforms when they go to school, so nothing stops us from expanding there. In terms of expertise, my co-founder Abhimanyu has got over 10 years of experience in general merchandising in respected retailers in the UK, such as Marks and Spencer's and Walmart, Asda, and also at Google. And about me, I have no clue about the fashion industry, but I think I know how to run a business. After graduating from my lead program in 2017, I launched my own startup in sales and marketing. Why Lisa? Well, lead kind of changed my life. I quit my corporate job and ventured into something new. Now I have this idea that I am deeply passionate about, and I wish and I hope Lisa will change my life again. So I'm counting on Lisa. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the program.
Hi, I'm Muki, part of lead program, Galvanizes cohort. I'm looking forward for the LISA program. What I'm looking specifically wanted to present here is with respect to neuro insights, the way how the understanding of the brain science helping an organization to effectively communicate and then enable people to be the best in their presentation, or the way how they communicate with each other, or the way how the teams are organized. The neuroscience learnings can be applied in various aspects wherever there is an people interaction happening. It could be within the teams, or it could be within the multiple structures within the organization, or it could be a part of a new business unit which is acquired and then needs to be revamped or transformed to gel with the existing organization. As we know that the way how things are communicated, and then the way how it is appealing specifically for the person who is receiving it, would make the impact in the response which is expected by the communicator. What I'm looking for from this particular program is that effectively utilize the knowledge base, the various tools which is already been the success stories which is applied across, and then be a consultant in the space to have the various businesses can adopt the neuro insights for their benefits. It would be more of a knowledge gathering platform which would present a lot of case studies and then the learnings which has happened over the period of time, and also it would be the tool for anyone who wants to explore more and then start having it in their own organization. So it will act both as an ready to acquire knowledge touch point, as well as to have the consultants who would be actually presenting their views, and then be the consultant to enable the organization to adopt the neuromarketing in their marketing per se, or neuroscience for their team formation. Looking forward for fine-tuning this and then putting it ahead in coming 100 days, and excited for this journey. Thank you, and looking forward for this program. Thank you.